This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home in Willow Lake Subdivision, popular split bedroom floor plan. New carpet. Large kitchen with lots of cabinet and counter space, much larger than is typical in this size home. Fenced yard. Separate laundry room. New stove and microwave. Refrigerator to convey at a no value, and seller is providing a 1-year third-party home warranty from First American Home Warranty Company. Neighborhood pond. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.